Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Core Network in MetaMask. For that, you need to simply launch your MetaMask mobile app, then tap on this browser tab in the bottom. After that, you need to simply search for coredao.org and then you will be landed on the official website of CoreDAO. Now you need to just scroll down in the bottom and you need to tap on this option that would say Add Core Network. After tapping on it, it will show you the pop-up that would say this is the CoreDAO network's details. So you need to simply tap on the confirm option and then CoreDAO network will be added to your MetaMask account in no time. Now if you go on your MetaMask account, you need to tap in the top left hand corner of the screen, and as you can see that CoreDAO is available in my enabled networks section. So from here you can switch to CoreDAO and then you can just start receiving or sending CoreDAO from this particular section. So if this video helped you out, give it a like. If you have any questions, you can do let me know that in the comment section below, and I'm here to help you out with that. You can just subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.